Hello friends, in this video I am going to introduce you with the hardware components used in my project DRS4Baby smart vending box for soap, diaper and baby wipes. This is Node MCU version 1.0 with ESP12E chip on the board. It will provide all the processing capability to this project and also provide the Wi-Fi connectivity to my project. With this board, a 16x2 GRU I2C LEDs interface to show all the information. With this main processing board, this user input and status LED board is connected. This push button is used to reset the count of vending box of soap, wipe and diaper. This push button is used to configure ESP8266 in access point mode to provide SSID, password and authorization code to ESP8266. This push button is recently not used and reserved for the future purpose. This is a status LED. When it is on, it will indicate that the ESP8266 is connected to Wi-Fi. If it is blinking at every 5 seconds, it will indicate that ESP8266 is not connected to Wi-Fi access point. Here is a sensor to measure the available amount of soap, baby wipe and diaper. I am going to use read switch. So wherever one diaper, one wipe or one soap is removed from the vending box, the count of available diaper, wipe and soap is going to be reduced by 1. Right now I have only one read switch, so in this demonstration I am going to use push button for wipe and diaper and I am going to use read switch with the magnet for soap. So once the module is started, in initial 10 seconds it will ask you that if you want to configure this module as an access point or not. Within 10 seconds, if I am going to press this button, ESP8266 work as an access point with the name DRS4Baby. You can find the same in available access point list in Wi-Fi. When you connect to this access point, this option will automatically come and it will open a configuration panel. When you click on configure Wi-Fi, in a list of available access point, you are going to select a preferred access point with which ESP8266 is going to connect in future. Now I am going to enter the password. In next part, a user can enter a DRS authorization code. I have already entered this authorization code in previous step and it is stored in EEPROM, so it will show me the same code. If you want to change it, you can change it. If you don't want to change it, it is fine. Now click on save. Now all the credentials are saved and ESP8266 tried to connect to the preferred access point. ESP8266 is now connected to the access point and it will show you available amount of diaper, wipes and soap. Now if I remove a one wipe, then I will open the door of the vending box. So the wipe count is going to be decreased by 1. If I am going to remove a diaper, then diaper count is going to be decreased by 1. Now similar thing will happen with this read switch. Okay. Now if you want to reset the count, then you need to hold this button for 2 seconds Module will ask you that if you want to reset the slot of diaper. If you don't want to reset diaper, click next. It will show you wipes. Okay, so suppose if you want to reset the wipe count, then press this button for 2 seconds. It will reset the wipe count by 20. Let's say I want to reset the soap count, so I'm going to press this button for 2 seconds. So when it will show soap, I am going to press this button for 2 seconds. Then it will reset soap count. Now let's see how the module is going to do a replenishment of diaper, wipe or soap when the count is less than 6. So if I'm going to remove one wipe, then it is going to be decreased by 1. If I'm going to remove one diaper, it will going to decrease by 1. So 10, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and now in 2 count it will going to start replenishment of diaper. Now once the replenishment is success, it will not put another order until a count is going to be reset up to maximum value. So the order is placed, and now let's see the email. So now you can see that the order of diaper is placed. Now if I'm going to reduce the number of wipes less than 6, so now the replenishment of wipes is started. So it shows that the order of wipes is in progress before previously I have placed the order of the same. Now if I am going to turn off the hotspot, the green LED is automatically going to turn off. So I have turned off the access point. Now you can see the green LED start blinking at every 5 seconds, and if I am going to start the access point again, then within 5 seconds the module is once again going to connect to the access point. Now all the information in this project is stored in EEPROM of ESP8266. So every time the module is powered up, it will back with the previous saved condition. Thanks for watching.